Hello everyone, welcome back to Amagama, the home of African names. Today we have brought you another episode of This or That, with names that mean hope from the Xhosa language. Without further ado, let's begin. The first names are Leletu and Oleletu. Leletu is a timeless unisex name. Oleletu is a very striking and modern unisex name. Which one would you choose for your child? Leletu or Oleletu? Next up we have Ozanethemba and Ozenethemba. Ozenethemba is a name that we have seen before. It was included on the previous Xhosa unisex names that mean hope video. Ozanethemba is a new name. It means one who brings hope. Both names are super positive and will do wonders for your child's self-esteem. We are now moving on to Thembalam and Lelam. Thembalam is traditionally a boy's name. Lelam is a unisex name. Which one would you choose for your baby? Thembalam or Lelam? Next up we have Anethemba and Analo. Both names sound cool and stylish. I love the nickname Ane for girls and good old Themba for boys. Analo, on the other hand, is a name that we have seen before on the previous video. It also has that cool sound to it. Moving on, we have Ulithemba and Lithemba. Both names are super adorable, and I love the nicknames Uli and Lee for this pair. We end the list with two timeless classics, Sinethemba and Sinalo. Sinethemba and Sinalo. Which one would you choose for your child? Please do let us know in the comments.